Right everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're just arriving into Scotland. We're off to Truckfest Classic Trucks. Should be a good day. I think the Scania's leaving now. So yeah.
Roll on out again. I said, hey Tang, how you been? Hope you're doing alright. Saw your buddy in a 144 coming down the road last night.
So just set off now. Been staying in a place called Bathgate in the Premier Inn. Good food there. We're now just setting off now. We're at 4.4 miles and we're there. The plane taking off. Just arrived in now. Nice lineup of stuff. It's brought some wagons and tractors over. Right, just gone through gates now. It's this lovely 7000. It's immaculate. It sits well and all. That's really nice. Nice Savoury Brown 950. Malcolm's Bedford. Ah, cheers. Malcolm's Bedford. It is immaculate. I think it's gold leaf on the sign writing. FL10 and red carpet. Nice stack of honour. This is immaculate. Definitely has to be one of the smartest FL10s here. Really nice that. McFadden's F10 Volvo. All been signed written. Yeah. Might be using the water tank now or something. Checker plate catwalk. Very tidy wagon. Very nice. Call out on there. Nice sign writing that. So McFadden's on YouTube they are. Nice Albion. Flatbed body. There are some pictures of the cab frame, obviously in wood. Yeah. Nice old restoration. Nice ERF there. Nice low bump on that. She sits well. Again, older restoration. Airbrush fifth wheel cover. Yeah, and an old Aki border. Oh, it might not be actually, it's an 8-wheeler, aren't sure. Leyland, Chinese 6, 2 front axles and then 1 rear, so it's called Chinese 6. Nice old Merc rigid. Nice 4 Series here. I think we saw this at Transport Show in bigger, might not have done actually. Nice size pipe. Single tab axle.
I know that I'ma take the high road, maybe get stoned, have a little too much of something terrible. I'ma let you cool down while I walk out. You ain't messing me up like the times before.
Ford here, 4x2. Twin stacks. Round here, MAN, checker plate catwalk, Dura Brights. Looks very nice this. Ian Gordon, International Transport. Yeah. 143 Scania. Single tan axle, twin Eminox. Oh no, no, not. Stacks. Timber haulage. Looks nice on the Steelies. It's how it would have looked when it were working rather than Dura Brights. Does look nice. This DAF is immaculate. Look at the shine on her. Immaculate. Proper job. Nice restoration that. That's a nice setup that. 143 F16 Volvo. One of the nicest wagons built, I would say. An old F7 Volvo. All of them are all 4x2s. Again, nice set of twin stacks. Checker plate, catwalk. That is immaculate. And the side lights. Very nice. 143. With a strange looking air cleaner upside of it. So it's been a roll on, roll off. The hook for it isn't on there anymore, so not really too sure what's happened on there. Look, she's a rigid. She's on an Irish number plate, but I think it's a Scottish company. Yeah. So here is Malcolm's Braveheart long line. Now this one's sort of sister really. When also at the services, and we saw Nipper in the T cab. I'll put the clip in now. It's Nipper! As you can see, check out that airbrush on there. Got the side pipes on there. Dutch rear bumper. Beefy flap. Very, very, very nice wagon. Full chassis infill. Very nice wagon.
Well, I'll dream around day and I dream around night, and we won't stop till we hit a red light. And you park her up and you tip the load, whoa, and then you head back down the road, and you clean her up and she fairly shine.
Nice Atkinson border here. With another one next door to it. So it's a Poddock Transports one. Nice side restoration. That also could be gold leaf, but I think it looks as if it is. Yeah, very nice. We'll set up. There's a few majors. Yeah. That one there. V8 in it. Yeah. Some nice bonuses there. Industrial one, the winch tractor. A few crawlers. This S series is just something different. I think it's really nice. All been sign written as well, I think. Maybe not, might be stickers actually. Yeah, stickers definitely. Even so, this is a bloody lovely wagon. Look at all the airbrush up on there. It's a work of art, is this wagon. This is lovely. Got pinstriping in the wheels. Very, very, very nice. And this S series here. Well, this is just something different. Very nice indeed. TikTok worthy as well, I would say.
She's got that look that I know too well. With a new hair, the crocodile tears, the same old show and tell. It's a crowded room, but there's safety in the numbers. She don't know she's right where.
This is a nice 143 as well. Lovely colour scheme on this. Again, all been sign written. Single stack on it. It looks very, very, very nice.
Listen to the engine as she pulls out on the road. I'm heading straight for Dover with my 38-ton load. I don't care if it rains.
You've actually started up. I think it's a big truck call happening with World's Strongest Brothers.
You'll start the engine up, you'll need simply so that he's got some braking. And it's Tommy to go first. So, let's have some help out there, come on! Oh, Tommy, fantastic, you've got it really doing. Come on, plenty of help. Well done, Tommy. Look at him go. You can't believe that somebody's actually propelling it like that. Fantastic, coming on top towards the end. And he's there. Give him a round of applause. I think he is. Okay, so plenty of support. Luke Stallman.
Come on, Luke! Come on! Come on, Luke!
But look at him. Oh, fantastic. It doesn't seem very far, but when you put it this sort of way, it certainly is. And he's coming up to the finishing line. Give him some support. Yay! Luke Stolper.
Nice setup here of a few models. Malcolm's Yard and Museum here. There's a T-cab that we saw up at services. There's Braveheart just been pulled then. stands up there with tractors on. The Violage ones here. Badens. Alleys there, there's like trains and stuff. There, look. Yep. The tractor haul now. 1455 case. Grey third gear, but it's something different. Land Rover axle lineups and things. Yeah, I would say so. With a 2 for a power on the back of it. Yeah, it's nice that. This Massey Harris here is really nice. They used to have a Fordson Standard. It's the same sort of era. Very nice that. Ferguson Brown here. These tractors are worth a fair bit. So on these tractors it was Ferguson and also a David Brown joined up to make this, and then had a bit of a fallout and then went with this company and then made a Massey Ferguson. So that's how that happened. And this one here has a homemade cab on. That's a nice restoration on that bonnet. For Major County. As you can see, there isn't really much steering lock on these. Nice tractor that. David Brown Cropmaster. The big ditch cleaner on the back of it. And with a front loader that's attached onto your axle. That's some fair size that. This McCormick here is nice. Nice patina on it. This one is my favourite tractor of the show, I would say, for me. Which looks nice. Really nice that is. Everyone, thanks for watching. Off back now, hopefully you might see a few smart stuff on way back. That's a very nice 7000. We'll put some pictures in, and thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Goodbye. Right, so on my way back home, right, after these pictures of the show, going southbound on the A1, there was a Caddy which had been highly tuned, a lot of black smoke and plenty of go. Got a few rolling shots, and he was sending her on like. So you want to wait till end and watch him because he was going fair speed. But yeah, so enjoy pictures and then enjoy all them rolling shots of wagons and then also him because some shots they were really good.
Rock and roll in the open road and the boat across the sea. Well, I don't like the loneliness, but it sure is good to be free. The side pipes glide along the side as the stacks roll black as coal, and trucking through the night like thunder we do roll. The drive wheels dig in this rock and roll rig as the side pipes sing its tune. Cross the river Dee at 3:15 as the lights shine up the moon. Send an Instagram off the needle hand, point straight down at your knee. The reefer, the can of the bulker man, and a skateboard South 83. Like a road train in the Hammer Lane, northbound, over and down. On the 68, running late, changing down through Castleside town. Hauling loads and going to truck shows, I tune up, gig and drive. Then follow the throttle, we be rocking back down to 75. And here's to all the truckers on highways near and far, hauling grain by any means to where we are. Right, Joe Skinner, well, this is the goose, I'm gonna take her home, I'm gonna break her across the sea. Well, I don't like the